guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I want to just take a break from the little Halloween-y kind of looks, and I just wanted to come back and do the looks I really enjoy doing more, and that is just the makeup itself. I wanted to just come back and do some more fall looks and looks I was just playing around that I just really wanted to do. So I ended up doing this really fun cut creased fall-y kind of look, but more of just like a bare lid, if you could say. So yeah, but if you guys just want to see how I get this look, then just please keep on watching. Alrighty, so to get this look and step away from some Halloween looks right now, I do have a video that I recorded, but I'm just not too sure if I want to post it, and I've been just kind of, I don't know how I feel about it. That's why it took me so long to do a video, because I've been thinking about this video for a while, and I've been thinking about it way too much. That's why I was like, you know what, I'm done with it right now. I'm just gonna do a fall look, but bring it back. So if you guys still want to see that video, let me know, and we'll see. But anyways, to start this look off, I am going to just get a concealer because I set half of this and I didn't want to set it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and reapply some concealer in my eye again. For most of you that have been following me, and if you're new, hello and welcome. My waterline and tight lining are always majority of the time done before I do my videos, so that is what it is. The bottom is a brown liner and top is just the black. So I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and the first shade that I'm going into is Creamsicle, and it is that shade right there. And I'm just going to throw this all for the crease. I mean, above my crease. Okay, and then I also went in with the Subculture palette, and I went into Edge, which is the yellow, and I kind of mixed that in with the Creamsicle shade. Next, I'm going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going into Hunt, and I'm gonna just pick up a bit of that and blend it in the crease, kind of higher, but enough to still see the yellowy orange shades. Okay, so the next shade I am going into is Jax, which is that shade, and I'm going to throw this right in the crease as well, and I'm going to leave a little bit of Hunt left. Okay, going back in the brush we did for Hunt, and I'm just going to go over top a little more, like so. And then as of right here, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the crease. Okay, and now that that part is done, I'm going into the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to pick up Tempera. And the funny part with this shade is, as I was applying it, it looked kind of like on the tanny pinky side, and then later, as it all settled down, I noticed it kind of had like a little more of a pinky purpley tint to it, but I was not mad at it. I kind of liked how it all tied together after all. So I just ended up patting this all over where we did the concealer. Okay, next step, I'm going into the Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow shadows from Stila, and it is in Gold Goddess. And I'm just getting a little brush and picking little by little up. And I kind of start in the center as of now. And just really carefully trace. And for the wing part, I'm now going to bring this in. And I'm gonna stop right here. And we just leave it right there. And then I'm just going to get a liner, and I'm gonna just do a very thin line as possible. And I'm gonna stop right where I stopped the glitter. Okay. Now I'm going to get a flat defining brush, and I'm going into Jack's, and I'm gonna press it up against the lower lash line. Okay, and then this part I'm going into Jack's again, and I'm going to get the same brush, and I'm just going to go right above the gold. So I have that line there, and then I'm going back into that brush we did with Hunt, and I'm just gonna kind of gently go over it. And then I'm going to now get a little brush, and I'm just going back into Creamsicle, and I'm just gonna lightly go over the top just to bring out that orange color again. And no. I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara real quick, and then we'll be back to finish up the rest of the look. Alrighty, so to finish up the eyes, I'm going into the That Glow kit from Anastasia, and I'm just going into Sunburst, the gold shade, and I'm going to put that right in the brow bone and really make that kind of pop. And I'm gonna get the same shade, and I'm gonna put that all in the inner corner. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If there are any looks or things you guys want me to try, go ahead and put those down in the comments below, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button because that would mean so much to me. With all of that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.